Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to decorate cake pops to look like eyeballs. This treat is perfect for Halloween and can be recreated using any cake and icing flavor. Let us know in the comments what treats you like to make for Halloween. During this video I will show you how to dip the cake pops and what to use to decorate them. If you would like to learn more about molding and dipping cake pops and some tricks when doing it, check out our video on our channel. Continue watching this video to learn how we decorated these Halloween cake pops. Let's get started. To make these cake pops, start by breaking apart your cake or cupcakes into a bowl. Make sure that the cake is broken into small, even pieces. The cake used in this video is a black velvet cake. Click this link here to see how we made this cake. Once your cake is crumbled, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of buttercream. Be sure to start with a small amount, as you can always add more. Mix the buttercream with the cake, and once you are able to form it into a ball and the cake holds its shape, it is ready for the next step. Use a 1 tablespoon scoop to portion each cake pop. Press the cake together, then roll it into a ball and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Continue this process until all cake pops have been formed. If you will be dipping the cake pops right away, leave them at room temperature. If you are making these 1 to 2 weeks ahead of time, place in an airtight container and freeze until ready to use. When you are ready to use these cake pops, move them to the refrigerator the day before you plan to dip them, then allow them to set at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. To dip these cake pops, melt candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. Be sure to have Paramount crystals on hand, especially if you are using white candy coating, as it tends to melt thicker and we will need a thin consistency for dipping. Once your chocolate is melted, dip the end of a sucker stick in the chocolate and press halfway into the cake pop. Continue this process until all cake pops have a stick. I will be dipping these and allowing them to dry with the cake pop up. If you would like to learn more about forming and dipping cake pops, check out this link to our video that goes into more detail. Dip the cake pop in the chocolate, making sure the chocolate covers all of the cake. Then hold the pop up at a 45-degree angle and shake over the chocolate bowl to remove excess. Use your finger or a spatula to remove excess chocolate at the base of the pop by the stick. Push the stick into a styrofoam cake dummy to allow the chocolate to set up. Continue this process until all cake pops are dipped. To decorate these cake pops, start by coloring white fondant. Knead the fondant until it is smooth, then create a well and add a small amount of neon green gel food color. Knead the fondant to evenly distribute the color and add more if needed. Roll out the fondant on a silicone mat, making sure to turn the fondant after each roll to achieve an even thickness. Then, cut out small circles and remove the excess fondant. Attach these fondant circles to the cake pops once they have set up. Apply a small amount of clear piping gel to the back of the circle, then gently press onto the cake pop. Use your finger or a fondant modeling tool to smooth and flatten the edge of the circle. Repeat this for all cake pops. Next, I am going to add dimension to the eye with edible paint. Cover a paint tray with plastic wrap for easier cleanup. Starting with black poppy paint, shake the bottle well and add to one cavity of the paint tray. Use a small paintbrush to add a small circle to the center of the eye. Allow this paint to dry before moving on to the next step. Add some neon green gel food color to a cavity on the paint tray, then add some clear grain alcohol or water. Mix these together until it has formed a thin paint. Paint this on the green circle starting at the outer edge. Make sure the paint does not come in contact with the black paint. You will want to leave a small space of unpainted fondant to add dimension. Apply the paint in small strokes around the outside edge, then continue with small brush strokes starting at the edge and ending just before the black paint. The final step to complete these cake pops is by painting on the veins. Use red poppy paint and a small paintbrush to paint curved lines around the center of the eye. Start with the brush near the green section of the eye, then paint towards the back, curving the line back and forth as you paint. Continue this technique around the eye until you have reached your desired look.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Be sure to let us know in the comments what videos you would like to see in the future. And if you would like to see more Halloween treats, check out our Halloween playlist on our channel. Check out our website to stay updated on our newest products, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to see our videos. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see your creations and how you incorporate our products into your work, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.